Friends, good day to you. Today we have Miss Divya and her father, Dr. Divakar. Divya was having extreme cervical problem few weeks back. Pain was radiating on her right hand. She was feeling numbness and pain both together. And the 90 minutes of therapy and which were delivered online through Zoom. What kind of miracle has happened to Divya? Let us listen to her. Over to Divya, please.
So I would like to tell my amazing experience with him. One night I woke up feeling a lot of numbness in my right arm, and I got really stressed out as to what's going to happen next. So I ran up to my father, and my father said, "Don't worry." The only name that came up to his mind was VP Singh Ji. So he called him and asked, what can we do about it? He was like, "Don't worry about it. It will all be okay," and helped me de-stress as to nothing's going to happen and it's all going to be fine. We carried on to doing 1.5 hours roughly about exercise, no medicines, no nothing, and I was fully cured. So thank you so much for taking the initiative of helping me at 6 a.m. in the morning, which I really appreciate your time and your kindness. So thank you.
So nice of Divya. Just tell the audience, do these exercises were too tough?
No, they weren't.
Have I given you any medicine in 90 minutes of time?
No.
No. No medicine, no tough exercise. And this numbness and pain disappeared. Can you show the audience what kind of exercise you did? Just 1 or 2 exercises. This simple therapeutic exercise did miracle on Divya, and it was an amazing experience for us also. Let us invite Divya's father because he was also present.
I met him a long time ago. I know that he is very much into the yoga, meditation, and in the journey of self-realization. So, as a practitioner of integrated medicine myself, when I just heard about my daughter, I just thought, who could be the best person to really help her? And I thought about VP Singh Ji, and I called him, and he said, "Oh, don't worry about it. I can teach her certain exercises, and it will really help her to get out of this pain very, very quickly." And that's what he did. At 6 o'clock in the morning, he started giving a Zoom session to Divya, my daughter, and within 90 minutes, she felt so much better. So thank you, VP Singh Ji, for your...
क्या ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत ज़्यादा टफ थी?
नहीं, ये एक्सरसाइजेस टफ नहीं है. एक्सरसाइजेस बड़ी प्रिसाइज हैं because you understand about the Marma, and we understand about the Marma. We have 107 and 108 points in Marma, and if you understand about Marma and if you can use it properly, there is nothing better than that. So I'm sure that you have dedicated a lot of your time in learning. Basically, if you understand about the Panchkosh, Prana Maya, Manomaya, Vigyanmaya, and Anandmaya, what does it really mean? That first problem you need to address with lifestyle modification, with simple exercises like yoga and meditation can help you to achieve great happiness in your life. Thank you.
Friends, one more thing. Dr. Divakar is a very good psychiatrist. So I will request Dr. Divakar to share about himself. In case you need special therapy from him, please contact me, contact him directly.
I'm just a brother and friend of VP Singh Ji. I'm in the field of integrated medicine. Back in 1992, I introduced alternative and complementary medicine for the treatment of addiction in the UK. And also I'm bringing the Vedic approaches for the treatment of mental health problems in the UK and rest of the world. That's what I do. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Divakar, for sharing your thoughts and views.